Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last few lectures, we have studied about jQuery selectors. In last lecture, we have seen these selectors. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about CSS method. We are going to change the CSS method on the button click or CSS properties on the button click. Let's see how it happens. Now let's see how this HTML page look like right now. It look like this, and nothing is going to happen on this click event. Now write some code to change CSS on button click event. Actually it's a CSS method. How to write it? Always jQuery start with $. If you have not watched my previous videos, please watch that. After that you can understand it very clearly. Under this you need to write the ID whose CSS you want to change, or the div whose background or other CSS properties you want to change on button click. I am going to select left. Okay, after that .css tells that we are going to use the properties of CSS. So after that we will click here. What we want to change? We want to change background color of the file, so that we write here. Okay, this is the property and this is the value. Property is background color and the value is red. Now we are going to save this and just want to refresh it, and after that hit this button. Here we can see that the left content area is now filled with the red color. This is one of the CSS method. Now comment it and check other properties too, like we can set border of that div like this. First we select the right, and sorry I forgot this, and then CSS. After that we need to write whatever we want to set. That is, I'm going to set border. Okay, and I want to set border solid 2 pixel of red color. Okay, that's it. Now save it, and after that refresh and click. Here you can see that its border is changed. In this way you can use the CSS property. We can apply more than one CSS in a single line of code, just like this. I'm going to write left. I'm selecting the left one. After that CSS, and we know that in CSS if we want to write multiple properties, then we use curly braces. Within that we want to set the border first. Okay, after that set solid of 2 pixel red color and background color of yellow, so that it's visible, clearly visible. Now save it and run it. Sorry, I guess I have made some mistakes. I have just left comma here and here. Now save it and execute it. Here you can see that the background color and the border both is changed on the button click event. So this is enough for the today lecture. Thanks. Like, subscribe and share. and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.